Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic LUNC. Now, if we hit $10 billion market cap, Luna came close. That was about last year, close to about $3 billion market cap. And we also had Luna really, the price of Terra Classic really pumped that period. And right now, there's a possibility that we can still reach $10 billion market cap. But if at all you have Terra Classic coin and Terra Classic hit $10 billion market cap, then believe it, there's a possibility for 1 cent with $10 billion market cap, but they still need to burn some, at least billions of Terra Classic coins. But it has been predicted that a $10 billion market cap for Terra Classic might push Terra Classic to reach 1 cent. We are still at about $400 to $500 million. We are still a long way, but I still believe that yes, Terra Classic has been talking about pushing this coin to hit almost $20 billion market cap by 2025. It's not going to be easy that way. Even hitting $10 billion, there's a possibility for that next year. The only thing Terra Classic needs right now is a mega price increase, price pump. You know, when coins pumps, you see people rushing to invest and buy most coin. This is what will be happening with Terra Classic. Once there's a little rise on Terra Classic, let's say 3%, 2%, 4%, you see that Terra Classic gains over $30 to $50 million in a single day, just by rising 4%. Imagine this coin hitting 30% or 40% increase in price. We are going to record almost $300 million to $500 million, which will definitely be pushing Terra Classic back to about $1 billion market cap. And imagine that rise continues for a period of 1 month. Terra Classic might be hitting between $5, $7 or $10 billion market cap. That is why I still believe with huge exchange keep on supporting Terra Classic. People like Binance founder CZ, of course, Binance CEO is one of the strongest supporter of Terra Classic, and of course, we believe that with their influence, with the burning, Terra Classic in the nearest future can still get to that level. But $10 billion market cap definitely might be equals to 1 cent. $10 billion market cap might be equals to 1 cent. So we need to keep on supporting. But even though I'm saying $10 billion market cap is equal to 1 cent, I will still give this as you need to take note. Please do not invest on Terra Classic for now. This coin is shaking. This coin is not yet balanced. Okay? But you can keep some coins, but do not invest. If you have huge amount of money on Terra Classic, be watchful. Maybe if you need to invest in other area, or maybe real estate, you want to invest in real estate. Because these days, so many crypto investors and traders have actually moved out. That is why even on YouTube, so many crypto content creators have actually been talking about other things right now rather than cryptocurrency. You know, from real estate to different things or e-commerce, but cryptocurrency have actually come to stay. I still believe that yes, the world of cryptocurrency will continue to grow, and in the nearest future will definitely make a lot of money with cryptocurrency. And I'm happy with the fact that even America, US are also supporting cryptocurrency, and I believe this is going to stand. Of course, let's keep on supporting cryptocurrency. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.